Hello everybody, my name is Jorge Enrique Ramirez Gallardo, and today I am going to talk about the sun living on a jet plane by John Denver. In this song, the instrumentation is guitars and its tone is soft and melodious. It makes me feel calm, peaceful, although at times it inspires nostalgia, sadness, and evoke long lines. The regularity of the song is soft, but in some moment its intensity is accelerated. To emphasize the message that is being expressed, but it finally returns to its original tonality. The soft instruments and pleasant tone relax the mind and allow you to think calmly, which I consider a positive stimulus for the subconscious. The song expresses the moment of the farewell with promise of return, and farewell with promise of change to be better, a romantic farewell where hugs, kisses, and words reflect the love of a young man who asks his beloved to wait for him back to continue showing him that he loves her, with the promise of marrying her when he returns, and thus following what he said. The singer expressed in his tone of voice the nostalgia for the farewell. It is a romantic and sad song at the same time, but also with the impetus and the hope of return, with surprising change that will fill you with happiness. The target market of the song is young people, but it can also be projected to romantic people who, although being a little older, have not defined the future with their partner. The values that are perceived are the loyalty that is requested in the expectation of the return, the friendship. When listening to the song, a Denver version and the family version by Chantal Kreviazuk, you feel the difference in the change of voice, but the feelings that the letter carries and the message it transmits are the essence of the song, and it is what really makes vibrate the feelings of love. Finally, I consider that someone with political interests could focus on the feeling expressed in the song to refer to how the war forced young people to abandon their dreams as a couple and perhaps not fulfill their promise due to the dire consequence that this leaves. It is all for today. Thanks very much and bye-bye.